This is mini mine. Made for Hancock Iron Ore. As you can see, there's 3 islands, and each one will teach the students at the RTS Expo how mining operates from the pit all the way up to ship loading. So it starts with discovering the ore, and then once the ore has been discovered, it gets excavated, and then after excavation, it gets sent on trucks to the primary crusher, and the student playing the primary crusher game will have to pick up the trucks and place the ore into the crusher, and also manage the conveyors, make sure they're not breaking. And then after the primary crusher, they come over to the processing plant where it gets washed, sorted, and crushed again. From there, it goes to the stockyard where the student will need to manage which ore to reclaim at what time. Then it gets sent to the train loading game where the student will need to load it, not too full, not too little, and reconnect carts as they break. And then the last island, we have another stockyard and train unloading, so the one train to the other, into the stockyard, all the way to ship loading, where it fills up and gets sent to the customers. And then everyone plays their own mini game, is earning their own individual points and learning about the process. But collectively, they get one score, which they work together to beat the last group score. This is mini mine.